A contact page is a great way to add your contact information, a form, a map, and hours of operation. To get started, open the Pages menu. Click the plus icon, then click Contact. Here, you'll find pre-built layouts to help you get started. Choose one to create the page. Enter a name for your page, like Contact Us, then press Enter. Click Edit to open the page editor. From here, you can replace the placeholder content with your own. Click the pencil icon while hovering over blocks to edit content, or click into text to change it. To add new blocks, click Add Block. Good blocks to include are the Social Links block, which can show links to your social media profiles, or the Map block if you have a physical business address. Form blocks allow your customers to contact you while also providing more information. By default, you'll get an email notification for every form submission, but you can also set up more storage options. Let us know if you have any further questions. We're always here to help.